Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zeenat Fatma, first year MBBS student at Fatma Jinnah Medical University. I got 1059 marks in metric and 1090 marks in FSC, and I got 175 marks in NMTCAT. So here I am writing about how I act my NMTCAT. Really, I don't even know what is MTCAT in my first year and second year. बस इतना कि MBBS के लिए एक टेस्ट होता है और बहुत मुश्किल होता है. At the end of our second year, there was a seminar of STEPS Academy in our college. At that time, I got some information about MTCAT. After my FSC exams, we had a very little time for the MTCAT preparation due to all that corona pandemic. Hardly 1 month and 15 days. मेरी सब दोस्त फिजिकल सेशन के लिए चली गई, लेकिन मैंने ऑनलाइन सेशन लिया था ड्यू टू सम पर्सनल इश्यूज़. ऑनलाइन सेशन में स्टार्ट के कुछ डेज़ में बहुत ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्टीज़ तो फेस करना पड़ा. ऑनलाइन सेशंस में स्टार्ट के कुछ डेज़ में मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्टीज़ को फेस करना पड़ा. कभी मेरे नेट के इश्यूज़, कभी स्टेप्स के सर के नेट के इश्यूज़, और दूसरी तरफ मेरी दोस्तें जो फ़िज़िकल ले रही थी, उनसे कभी टेक्स्ट करके पूछती तो वो सब कहती हमारी बहुत अच्छी तैयारी हो रही है. एंड यू गाइज नो आई ट्राइड 1000 times in that days. They all have academic books and tests in hard form, and I have nothing at that time. Just demotivated me and my textbooks. स्टार्ट में ऑनलाइन सेशन में मुझे कुछ भी समझ नहीं आ रहा था, बट इट टुक एटलीस्ट 2 weeks मुझे कुछ चीज़ें समझ आना स्टार्ट हुई. And I was left with just 1 month. We had online test of academy the day after the lecture classes, and I'm truly speaking, physics में मेरे सिर्फ 3 और 4 marks आते थे out of 30, and I just cried and cried in that days. After experiencing failures, but then after watching some motivational videos, and my chemistry sir, his name was Sir Kashif, he was blessing in disguise for me at that time. He motivated me again and again, and he assured me that I can do it. And my mother, who gave me a huge motivation कि मेरी बेटी कर सकती. At that time I was left with hardly 25 days. I started studying with this belief that मेरा हो जाएगा. I gave my day and night to physics. मैंने YouTube से लेक्चर लिए, स्टेप के ऑनलाइन रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर लिए, नोट्स बनाए. इन दैट वीक मैंने 3 रजिस्टर भर दिए सिर्फ फिज़िक्स के लिए. आफ्टर दैट व्हेन आई गेव माई अकेडमी ऑनलाइन टेस्ट, I got 26 out of 30 marks. This motivated me a lot. For biology, I studied my Punjab textbook, federal textbook, and a little bit from KPK. For chemistry, I got a very talented teacher. Her name was Ma'am Iram. In my college time, she was blessing for me. उन्होंने इतना अच्छा पढ़ाया था कि MDCAT के टाइम ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं लगी. I just did it from my Punjab board textbook. For English, I did slides of Sir. In short, I studied a lot in that 2 weeks to 3 weeks. इतना ज़्यादा मैंने कभी नहीं पढ़ा. Our NMDCAT test started from 30th August, and PMC test system was very bad. Most of the students were getting low marks. This was another problem for us at that time. So let me share my test experience. My test was in 17 September morning. I was sitting in exam hall with my parents, and I was getting dua and motivation from my father. Our test was online, and we entered in exam hall at 7 AM, 1 घंटा पहले. और उस टाइम बस यही लगता था कि सारा कुछ भूल गया. टेस्ट स्टार्ट हुआ. माई टेस्ट वॉज वेरी कन्फ्यूजिंग, लाइक ऑप्शंस रिपीट हो रहे थे, बट करना तो था ही. आवर रिजल्ट वॉज आउट एट PMC वेबसाइट एट 12:30 PM. Our result was out at PMC website at 12:30 PM, and after watching my result, I was literally shocked. I got 155 marks at that time because I was assured that मेरे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 20 MCQ wrong होंगे. At that time, I felt that मुझे 5 साल पढ़ने का कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं मिला. I just cried in front of my Allah for justice. After 2 to 3 weeks, PMC had announced that result is again uploaded at website, and my marks got increased to 175. And my merit was 90.6273. In provisional list, I was at rank 2348. According to my preference, I got admission in Quaid-e-Azam Medical College. Medical College. After first upgradation list, I was upgraded to RMU. Then after special exams and final upgradation list, to my good luck, I was upgraded to FJMU. This was all about my journey to FJMU. Advice for all of you is never ever rely on academic books for MDCAT preparation. They are good, but always stick to your textbooks. They should be your first priority. And pray 5 times a day, क्योंकि अल्लाह की मदद के सिवा कुछ भी नहीं है. Best of luck, you all aspirants. You all can do it.